gonna do experiments about. We're gonna make rainbow rubber eggs. First, we need 3 cups of plastics. You can use container, vinegar, food coloring, and eggs. Bow, 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 bow. First, we need to put the eggs inside. Make sure the eggs didn't broke. Wait. And then second, put the vinegar until the vinegar cover the whole thing of the eggs. It's stinky actually. It's almost like glue. I think it's not enough. Mine is all filled up. Me too. One more. It's gonna be messy. Mine is almost empty. Still more. It's stinky. Okay, done. Cover it again. Put some food coloring. That's it. Ah! And then the last, we didn't have 3 food coloring. We're gonna mix it. The last one. Done. And then we're gonna mix it. So, me first. I'm the green one. What happened? Look, it's turning black. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. And the last one with what? We cannot mix it. No. No. Ooh, more. Too much. Too much. It's time. We need more vinegar. Untung gak di meja. No, that's enough. Bau. Ah, you got the egg. Hey, we need to get the egg. Bau. So stinky. Oh, mine is empty. Oh, you can use mine. Ew. Just put it all. And the egg is out. It's going to my hand. So stinky. Wow. Wow. We need to wait 3 days or until 5 days. Bye. Hey friends, we back. Now it's done 4 days. Now we're gonna clean the egg. Let's do it. That's cute. Yeah. Let's go. It's so big. I think I need some help. It's so very big. Yeah, mine too. I need some help. It's so very big. Just use the red one. The red one is so big, very big too. I like the. Oh man, my clothes! Ow! Take my hand. So pretty. Can I just use my hand? Look it. Get away, you! So what is this thing? Ew. I don't want to look at it. Use your hand? I want to use my hand too. I want to use my hand. See. Okay, never mind. It's hard. It's really hard. Okay. Just put it. Put it. Oh man. It's hard. Okay, finally. Only the brown one. The brown one's so itchy. Yeah, I don't want to take the brown one. It smells like brown egg. Okay. Take it out, take it out, take it out! It smells like poop. I want to feel it. It looks like what? Ooh, the red one is so shiny. The green too. My favorite one is the red one. My favorite one is the red one. I don't like the blue. Why you never like the green one? Because the green one is like so gross. And the brown one is... Okay. Let me see. I mean, try to bounce it. Ooh! Ooh! Let's try the brown one. Try the brown one. Dong 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 dong. We did it! Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And thumbs up the video or the channel. Bye bye. Bye bye. We're gonna play the egg.